Now let's discuss about non-conventional sources of energy. Energy generated by using wind, solar, biomass, tides, etc. is known as non-conventional sources of energy. All these sources are renewable process of energy generation and do not cause environmental pollution. Now let's see first solar energy. Solar energy is simple, the light and heat that come from the sun. People can harness the sun's energy in a few different ways. Second is wind energy. The process by which wind generates electricity is called wind energy. Wind turbine convert the kinetic energy in the wind into mechanical power. Next is biomass. Biomass is a plant or animal material used for energy production. Next is tidal energy. Tidal energy convert energy obtained from tides into useful form of power, mainly electricity. Although not yet widely used, tidal energy has the potential for future electrical generation. So, this type of energy can be used in place of those which have chances to observe. Now, let us see what all measures can be taken to prevent global warming. That is, we can reduce the use of sources that release CO2. Afforestation and conservation of forests should be done. Growing trees help to reduce carbon dioxide. Avoid the use of plastics. Optimum use, that is best use of manure and pesticides. Adopt organic farming, that is use of green manure and cattle manure. What we say is dung. Add biotics in the food for animals. Optimum use of household appliances, vehicle, that is transport. Control human population. Design the buildings with sufficient ventilation to save electricity. Increase the use of eco-friendly papers. Grow plants and trees around your house. Make optimum use of natural resources. Use petroleum products judiciously. Use water carefully. Practice rainwater harvesting, that is to collect rainwater in tank which can be used for farming with proper connectivity. Increase the use of CNG and non-conventional sources of energy like biomass, windmill, tidal energy, solar energy, etc. Somewhere by saving and taking this measure, we can somehow contribute in reducing global warming. Global policy to protect environment. It was a serious issue knowing that we humans are responsible for the destruction of the environment through our activities. Meeting was held in Sweden in 1972 and later in Brazil discussing somehow matter can be brought in control. In the meeting held at Copenhagen, capital city of Denmark in the year 2009, some important steps were taken as how developed and developing countries could work for the reduction of emission of greenhouse gases and aids to be given to countries thinking seriously on climatic changes. How restrictions can be imposed on countries as per carbon dioxide emitted by citizens. So government really concerns how the problem of global warming be solved.